Number 1. Ford Fairlane 500, 1963 year of issue. Before the 260 and 289 cubic inch versions of Ford's Windsor V8 engine family, which replaced the Y-block in 1962, there was the 221Q.in version. It powers this 1963 Ford Fairlane 500 two-door sedan, and according to the seller, the original engine is still under the hood. It's also paired with a 3-on-the-tree column shift manual transmission. The car reportedly has a southern history and is said to be devoid of rust while wearing a respray of the original Corinthian white color. The car is in good shape with normal wear, says the seller. New, the Fairlane's 221 cu in OHV V8 was rated at 145 horsepower and 216 lb-ft of torque. The engine is dressed up with an aftermarket air cleaner and valve covers. A high-energy distributor was also installed. All the original engine components are included. The cooling system has been updated with a higher capacity aluminum radiator. There are no reported issues with the column shift manual transmission. The body is said to be solid, with no rust. Per the M code on the data plate, Corinthian white is the car's original color. The resprayed paintwork is said to be in good condition, along with the chrome. A red vinyl interior complements the white exterior and appears very clean. There is minor fading and minor splits seen in the front bench seat. The carpet, headliner, and door panels appear in very good condition. There are no apparent cracks or splits in the dash pad. The steering wheel shows mild wear in the rim and mild pitting on the horn ring. The car retains its original 4-wheel drum braking system. Douglas radial tires mounted on 15-inch American racing wheels replace the originals. Links to listings below. Number 2. Oldsmobile Toronado GT. 1970 year of issue 1970. Olds Toronado GT 455 CI. 4 BBL, 400 HP. Only a little more than 5,000 GTs made in 1970. GT had high performance cam, larger valves, dual exhaust, trans holds, kicked down longer when floored. Engine was rebuilt about $20,000 miles ago, and cam was built back up, electronic ignition put in. Carb has been totally remanufactured, $600. Electric fuel pump installed, both heads redone last July. Dash has been redone with JBL SPKRs added. Rear deck has 6X9 JBL SPKRs mounted. I have a replacement rear deck if desired. AM FM 10 CD changer stereo, electric windows and seat. Original carpet is in good shape, seats have been reupholstered. Headliner has a tear near rear window. Turn signal arm needs repair. Tilt telescopic steering wheel. Air conditioning had been working, but must have a leak. New battery, tires in great shape. Vinyl top in good shape. Paint has some blisters from a defective car cover. There is some rust at the back of both fenders and one spot by vinyl top trim. Links to listings below. Number 3. Chrysler Imperial. 1964 year of issue, number matching 4 and 13. Cubic inch V8 engine professionally rebuilt in summer of 2019. Bored 40 over with new pistons, new rods, original heads professionally gone over. Original current mileage 72,179. Less than 3,000 since complete motor rebuild. Edelbrock aluminum manifold, Edelbrock 750 CFM 4-barrel carburetor. Aluminum radiator, MSD HEI ignition, MSD distributor, MSD Street Fighter wires, MSD blaster cap upgraded, Tough Stuff 1-wire alternator 120 amp, brand new heavy-duty battery 623, 3 stainless steel straight pipes. Driveline center joint bushings replaced. Torque Flight 3-speed automatic transmission with push-button selector. Full-time power steering. Power steering box does leak. Number 4. Mercedes-Benz 450 SLC, 1974 year of issue. This 450 SLC comes with a blue exterior paint over a clean brown interior. Powering this Mercedes is a 4.5-liter V8 paired with an automatic transmission. This Mercedes comes with some nice features such as power steering, power brakes, power windows, leather seats, a sunroof, cruise control, AM/FM radio with cassette player, and Pioneer speakers. Drive this one out of our showroom or have us assist with shipping it to you anywhere in the United States. Don't hesitate to give us a call with any questions or for more information. The Mercedes-Benz R107 automobiles were produced from 1971 through 1989, being the longest single series ever produced by the firm besides the G-Class wagon. They were sold under the SL Class and SLC Class model names, respectively. The R107 replaced the W113 SL Class in 1972 and was replaced by the R129 SL Class in 1989. The SL variant was a 2-seat convertible jock roadster with a standard soft top and hard top. The SLC, technically C107 derivative, was a 2-door hardtop coupe with usable rear seats and, in effect, an SL stretched 10 inches, 254 millimeters, with a fixed roof. Although some may air this car as an SL coupe, though technically it might be, in the real world it was an S-Class coupe, modern-day CL, replacing the former saloon-based 280-300 SE Coupe C in Mercedes' lineup. The SLC was replaced earlier than the SL in 1981 with a much larger model, the 380 SEC. Number 5. MG-C 1977 year of issue. Additional vehicle details: 1.8L, 4-cylinder, 4-speed manual, power brakes, convertible disclosure, cosmetic. There are a few chips, imperfections in the paint, see detailed pictures. Mechanical, please refer to the 30-point inspection report located in the photos above. Please note that WWVA does not inspect engine size or compression due to the need to open up the motor. Additionally, WWVA does not verify the integrity of vehicle frames, floor pans, or suspension systems. This vehicle is being sold mileage exempt due to age. Mileage advertised reflects current odometer reading. For more details on any disclosure items, please contact a sales agent today at 1-877-422-1570. The engine size and specs, if any, were provided by the previous owner and are not verified. If you would like to verify block numbers, engine stamps, etc., please do so prior to purchasing. The cost of parts and restoration of these vehicles are increasing daily. They are not making any more, and therefore, they are becoming more rare by the day. Buy one complete and ensure your investment for the future. Collectible vintage vehicles have historically appreciated at a rate greater than the stock market. Gold and other arts and collectibles, as documented by many articles and auction result tracking.